The International Space Station, or ISS, is a remarkable achievement in international cooperation and scientific research. Here are some key facts about the ISS. First up, launch and construction. The first module, Zarya, was launched on November 20th, 1998. The construction of the ISS involved multiple launches and assembly missions over several years. Next, let's talk about the size. The ISS is one of the largest human-made structures in space, measuring approximately 109 meters or 358 feet end-to-end, about the size of a football field. And finally, orbit. The ISS orbits Earth at an altitude of approximately 400 kilometers or about 250 miles and travels at a speed of around 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour, completing an orbit roughly every 90 minutes. The ISS is a joint project involving 5 participating space agencies: NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, ESA, that's the European Space Agency, JAXA, which stands for the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and CSA, the Canadian Space Agency. The station can typically support a crew of 6 astronauts for long-term missions. However, it has accommodated larger crews during crew changeovers or special missions. The ISS serves as a unique microgravity laboratory where experiments in various fields such as biology, physics, astronomy, meteorology, and technology development are conducted. Astronauts live and work aboard the ISS for extended periods, usually around 6 months, experiencing microgravity conditions that affect their health and body functions differently than on Earth. The station relies on solar panels to generate electricity, which powers its systems and experiments. Advanced life support systems on board recycle air and water to sustain the crew's needs while minimizing resupply requirements from Earth. International cooperation projects countries collaborate on various projects aboard the ISS. For example, there are ongoing efforts to study climate change through Earth observation from space. Spacewalks. Astronauts conduct regular maintenance tasks outside the station through extravehicular activities or spacewalks. These have occurred hundreds of times since its launch. Future plans. Discussions about the future include extending operations until at least 2030 while also exploring opportunities for commercial partnerships with private companies in low Earth orbit activities. Cultural impact. The ISS has inspired numerous cultural references, including documentaries, films like Gravity, educational programs, and art installations emphasizing humanity's exploration beyond our planet. The International Space Station continues to be an essential part of human spaceflight endeavors as it supports scientific research that benefits life on Earth while paving the way for future exploration missions beyond low Earth orbit.